Hi there, I'm Perry Carpenter, NobleForce Chief Evangelist and Strategy Officer, and I'd like to invite you to a webinar that Kevin Mitnick and I are going to do on the topic of open source intelligence gathering, or what's known as OSINT. Now, if you're not familiar with open source intelligence gathering, this is one of those things that can be really shocking and a little bit scary the first time you're exposed to it, or even the 10th time you're exposed to it, because the power in this is that the technique of OSINT is all about aggregating information that's out there publicly available about you and I and our organizations. And so if you can think about all the information that's available on Facebook and LinkedIn and Instagram and everything else, combined with the information that's available through public databases like driver's license databases, mortgage filings, things available around really any citizen, and then you combine that with information that's also been leaked through data dumps and data breaches that are out there, you can start to see how all that information aggregated together can become an extremely powerful attack vector for a malicious attacker, one that's just able to put in enough work to understand you and I and our organizations. And so on this webinar, Kevin is going to show some of his favorite tools and his methods that he uses in his penetration testing, but we're also going to flip that, and we're going to start to ask the question, how can you and I become more resilient? What really can be done? And what should we be doing in the future to help make ourselves and our organizations better prepared to deal with the fact that this is out there? And so I really do hope that you'll join us, and I know it's going to be very fun and very informative for all of us. Thanks.